Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can extract an audio from a video. So let's say you have a video and you like the audio, or like the part that is going around, or you just want that audio as background noise or video. So I'm going to show you how you can extract that audio from that video. It's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to open Capcut, and after you open Capcut, you're going to click on a new project or open an existing project. I'm going to open a new project. Now it's going to load in, and as you can see, I have to import a source for me to extract the audio from it. Okay, so we're going to click on import, and then I am going to go on to one of my places where I can get a video that we can use. So I have this video. Okay, once I import it, as if you can hear now, I have a test. I have a sample where we can test with it. Yo, this is a test so we can extract an audio. Okay, so now as you can see, we have an audio and we have a video. Now what we're going to do is as this simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the right click, and as you can see, all the way from up, we're going to scroll down, down, down until we find something called extract audio. We're going to click on extract audio, and as you can see, I have the audio extracted. I can just simply move it away, and now I have the video, and then I have the audio over here without a video. So you can do whatever you want with it. You can delete it. You can you can lower the sound, make the sound higher, do whatever you want with it. But as you can see, I've extracted it. I can even delete it and keep the video, or vice versa. So yeah, that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.